Hi everyone, today we're going to talk about hip internal rotation. So what it means is basically my ability for me to get this hip right and this knee to rotate inwards like this. Okay, so what I need to do is to get into this position like this. We call this like a Shinbox position, right? So you just sit down here. Now from here, what you're going to do is you're going to place your left hand down, and you're going to take your right hand, and as you reach your right hand towards the left side, you're going to feel this hip, right, opens up, right? Now, and then you're going to do is slowly think about trying to sit back into that groove. And you feel this, your femur or your thigh bone just kind of like sink into the hip socket. Okay? So just this way out. Sit tall and sit in. You may not be able to get it like flat like this. I'm going to show you from the back how it looks like. So basically I'm sitting like this. Okay? Some of us don't have a gap from the beginning because you can't see the joint. So what I'm going to ask you to do is basically I'm going to reach across and notice how this buttock is coming off, right? And as I sit back, I'm able to sit into the hip, and you can allow this buttock to touch the floor, right? Just mobilizing this hip. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. So just get into this position. My left heel, my left foot is touching my right thigh from here. I'm going to take my right hand, reach, and as I come back, I'm thinking about trying to feel this groove and sit into it without rounding my back. So I want to be able to be nice and tall. So we're going to do this for a minute each side. Now you shouldn't feel any discomfort on your right knee. Okay? If you do, adjust the position of your knee a little and your foot. So my foot is actually kind of like this. Okay? You ready? Here we go. So basically, reach your right hand, the left, feel this hip opening up, and then you're gonna slowly sit back, sit into that groove. Force it, right? Okay, and the other side. So you're going to change around into this position, sit down. Okay, same thing. I'm going to take my left hand, reach to the right side, feel this hip joint opening up. Back in. We're sitting into the groove. From back. Like this. And that's 1 minute or 2 minutes rather. Okay, so give that a try and see how it feels. When you go back to that movement that we did on Sunday, where you kind of like trying to face sideways and touch your buttocks onto the bench, you should find that it helps to mobilize the hips a little bit more and get you into the better position.